Did you know that nature's sounds can reduce stress by up to 60%? That's not just calming, it's transformational. Let's take a closer look at why the sounds of nature soothe us, and why some are even more powerful than others. Imagine rustling leaves underfoot on an autumn walk. Your heartbeat slows, your breath deepens. It's not just cozy, it's a neurological reset. Research shows that nature sounds activate the parasympathetic nervous system, the part that calms you down, heals you, and helps you feel safe. But not all nature sounds affect us the same. Let's explore what makes some sounds extra therapeutic. Ocean waves contain low-frequency oscillations, slow rhythmic patterns that mimic our brain's alpha waves. Its translation is instant relaxation. Thunderstorms can actually lull us to sleep. The constant rumble has what scientists call pink noise. It's like a natural sound blanket. Ever been in bed during a storm? That treacherous rain outside, combined with your cozy blanket, triggers something primal. You're safe inside. Now here's a sound people overlook: the laughter of children as you walk past a schoolyard. Not exactly a forest, but it heals in its own way. The playful sounds of laughter stimulate oxytocin, the bonding hormone, that sense of connection. It's part of nature too. Rustling trees and chirping birds help reset our attention span. Nature doesn't just calm us, it makes us more focused too. One theory suggests that our brains evolved to scan for natural cues of safety, like flowing water or birdsong. Hearing them means all is well. Nature sounds improve meditation. Even short exposure helps people go deeper, faster. No incense required. Ever held a seashell up to your ear, to hear the echo of the ocean? That's not just poetic, it's a reminder of ancient rhythms locked into everyday objects. Some sounds even lower blood pressure. Studies found rainforest sounds slowed heart rates faster than classical music. Isn't that something? The healing magic lies in unpredictability. Unlike man-made sounds, the rhythm of nature varies gently, and your brain loves that. Walking barefoot on grass, while hearing birds. This combination of touch, sound, and scent is nature's triple therapy. Have you ever noticed how your best ideas come in the shower? That water sound mimics streams and your brain relaxes into creativity. When we hear rain hitting rooftops, our brains sink to the rhythm, like being gently rocked to sleep. Some researchers believe that nature sounds trigger a deep-rooted sense of comfort, tapping into epigenetic memory, a survival mechanism passed down from our ancestors. Birdsong follows tempo patterns that are strikingly similar to classical music compositions. So, in a way, nature is like Beethoven, with feathers. The wind passing through trees. That's white noise with soul, blocking distractions while keeping you connected to the earth. When we listen to nature daily, our brain structure changes. The amygdala, which is the stress center of the brain, actually shrinks. It's literal healing. Back to those crisp autumn leaves, that satisfying crunch underfoot stimulates proprioception, our sense of body awareness. You feel grounded. Nature's soundscape even affects taste. People rate food tastier when they eat outdoors with natural ambience. Don't underestimate urban nature. Children playing, distant birds, even wind between buildings, it all counts. Your brain knows joy when it hears it. The healing power of nature isn't just outside, it's inside your biology. Sound is how the planet speaks to your nervous system. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed, don't just reach for a screen. Step outside and breathe in the sound of rustling leaves, crashing waves, or the gentle drizzle on glass as you head home. Healing isn't high-tech, it's high-touch, high-sound, high-nature. And it's all waiting for you right outside. Take a moment. Listen. Can you hear it? Nature is speaking, and now you know how to understand its voice. Let it heal you, one sound at a time. The quiet knows what your soul needs. I hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration through sound in nature. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Be happy. Be healthy. Live longer. Thank you, visit again.